Have you ever stepped into your car on a hot day, cranked up the air conditioning, and felt nothing but weak, warm air? It's one of the worst feelings when your car AC doesn't do its job. But what if I told you that with a few smart tricks and simple fixes, you could make your car's AC blow ice cold again, just like the day you bought it? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 proven ways to supercharge your car's AC. These aren't gimmicks, these are real practical methods car owners use to beat the heat. And trust me, number 1 on this list is a total game changer. Miss it, and you could end up sweating every summer while paying for expensive repairs. So let's jump right into it. Number 10, start the right way. Most people turn on their AC the wrong way. They hop in, blast it at full power, and hope it cools fast. But here's the smarter trick. Roll down your windows for the first minute to let the trapped hot air escape. Then, turn on your AC at the lowest temperature setting while driving. This way, the system pulls in cooler outside air instead of recycling the oven-like air inside your car. This simple step alone can cut cooling time in half and make the AC work much more efficiently. Number 9, keep your cabin air filter clean. One of the most common reasons your car's AC doesn't feel as cold as it should is a dirty cabin air filter. This small but important filter is designed to trap dust, pollen, dirt, and other debris before the air enters your car's interior. Over time, it gets clogged, and when that happens, airflow is restricted. The result? Your AC has to work harder and often ends up blowing warmer, weaker air instead of that icy chill you expect. The good news is, replacing it is both simple and inexpensive. Most manufacturers recommend swapping it out every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. The cost is usually between $15 and $30, and the process takes less than 10 minutes. Many car owners even do it themselves without tools. A fresh cabin air filter can instantly improve airflow and cooling power, making your AC feel brand new again. Number 8, don't skip regular Freon checks. Freon, or refrigerant, is literally the lifeblood of your car's AC system. If levels are even a little low, the AC won't blow cold air. Over time, tiny leaks or worn seals can cause refrigerant to escape. The fix? Have your AC pressure checked during routine service. If it's low, a recharge costs around $100 to $200 depending on your car. It's much cheaper than ignoring the problem and ending up with a failed compressor, which can run upwards of $1,000. Think of it this way, low refrigerant equals weak AC. Full refrigerant equals ice cold. AC number 7, park smart and use sunshades. This tip may seem too simple, but it's actually one of the most effective ways to help your AC blow colder. When you leave your car under direct sunlight, the inside can heat up to over 150 degrees Fahrenheit in just a short time. All that trapped heat makes your AC work much harder, wasting energy and taking longer to cool the cabin. The solution is easy. Park in the shade whenever possible or use reflective sunshades on your windshield. Even cracking your windows slightly allows hot air to escape. By keeping your car cooler before you even start it, your AC can reach ice-cold levels much faster and with less strain, making your drives far more comfortable. Number 6, use the recirculate mode. Here's a secret that many drivers forget. Always switch your AC to recirculate once the cabin is cool. At first, use outside air to push out hot air, but once things are cooled down, hit recirculate. This mode keeps already cooled air cycling inside the car instead of pulling in hot, humid air from outside. It's a small switch, but it can drop cabin temps noticeably and help your AC stay cold even on the hottest days. Number 5, clean the AC condenser. The AC condenser sits in front of your radiator, and it's basically the heat exchanger of your air conditioning system. Over time, bugs, dirt, and road grime clog it up, and when it's dirty, it can't release heat properly, meaning your AC blows warmer air. The good news? You can clean it yourself. Just use a gentle stream of water from a garden hose, not high pressure, to rinse off dirt and debris. Do this once or twice a year, and your AC will thank you. Number 4. Don't ignore strange smells. If your AC smells musty or moldy, it's not just unpleasant, it's a warning. Moisture builds up inside the evaporator, creating the perfect environment for mold. And when airflow is blocked by mold, your AC efficiency drops. A quick fix is using an AC cleaner spray designed for evaporators. Spray it into the vents or intake under the dashboard, and it'll kill bacteria and freshen airflow. For stubborn cases, mechanics can deep clean the evaporator. Clean air equals stronger cooling. Number 3, watch your engine temperature. Many drivers don't realize that their car's AC system is closely linked to the engine cooling system. If your engine begins to overheat, your AC will naturally lose efficiency and may stop blowing cold air altogether. This happens because both systems rely on proper coolant flow and cooling fans to keep temperatures under control. When coolant levels are low, the radiator fan isn't working correctly, or the thermostat is clogged. The AC struggles too. That's why it's important to keep an eye on your engine temperature gauge. If you notice your engine running hotter than normal, address that issue before assuming something is wrong with the AC itself. Often, fixing the cooling system, like topping up coolant or repairing a faulty fan, restores full AC performance. Remember, a well-maintained engine cooling system doesn't just prevent breakdowns, it also ensures your AC can keep blowing freezing cold air when you need it most. Number 2, service the AC compressor. The compressor is the heart of your car's AC system. It pressurizes the refrigerant and keeps everything flowing. If it's failing, you'll often hear grinding noises, see leaks, or notice the AC cutting in and out. Regular servicing, like checking compressor oil and belts, can extend its life. Replacing a compressor can cost $800 to $1,500, so taking care of it early saves a ton of money. Think of it as protecting the engine of your AC system. Number 1, insulate and boost the system like a pro. This is the ultimate hack for making your AC blow ice cold. Mechanics and car enthusiasts often use thermal insulation on AC lines under the hood. These foam wraps keep refrigerant lines cooler, reducing heat absorption before the air even reaches your vents. Combine that with ensuring every part, filter, condenser, refrigerant, and compressor is working at peak efficiency, and your AC will feel like you've stepped into a refrigerator on wheels. It's a pro-level upgrade, but it can make all the difference in extreme heat. Here are a few quick bonus tips to keep your car AC working at its best. First, avoid blasting the AC while idling. Your system cools much faster once the car is moving. Second, consider getting tinted windows, which can reduce cabin heat by up to 30%, making cooling easier. And finally, schedule regular AC checks during oil changes. Catching small problems early prevents costly repairs and keeps your AC blowing ice cold. So there you have it, 10 proven ways to make your car AC blow ice cold again. From something as simple as rolling down your windows for a minute to pro tips like insulating your AC lines, every step makes a difference. Remember, your AC isn't just about comfort. It also prevents driver fatigue and keeps you safe on the road. Don't wait until your system fails in the middle of summer. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to know the worst car maintenance mistakes that ruin your vehicle fast, click the link on your screen now. I promise you'll save money and avoid costly repairs. Stay cool, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.